fam, welcome back to my channel. If you're joining me for the first time, my name is Chef Fran. But first, give me a virtual hug by hitting the subscribe button. And in return, I will give you a new recipe every week.
My name is Chef Fran, and today we are making something I love so much. We are making a maple bacon French toast. Yeah, you're probably like, what? Maple bacon French toast? No, the bacon's not going to be on your side. The bacon's actually going to be in your egg mixture that you're going to be dipping in your French toast. To make our wonderful maple bacon French toast, I have a little bit of an upscale fancy bread, but you can use whatever you have on hand. And it is a croissant sliced bread by La Boulangerie, which means the bakery. And it says it's super bon, which means super good, and it does taste super good. Oh, when it cooks up, you taste that flakiness and that crispiness when you kind of toast croissant. So good. Anyway, some eggs as our base mixture with some milk. I use heavy cream and evaporated milk, and we have some maple syrup, of course. So I'm not going to add any cane sugar because we're going to have our maple syrup going in. A little bit touch of pure vanilla. Everything tastes good with vanilla. And I have some cooked bacon that I crushed up really fine to go in, and all those nice little kind of holes in the croissant will be able to kind of hold this. So, and of course we have our butter to cook in our skillet. And I actually love to finish off my French toast in the oven because I don't like my French toast being sticky, wet, and soggy. So I started off to get color on the stovetop, and then I finish it off in the oven for just a few minutes. So I am going to crack my eggs first. Remember, when you crack it on the side of your bowl, make sure you stick your 2 thumbs in to hold back the shells. Okay. Okay. And gently dump it here. I'm just going to whisk my eggs. Now I'm going to put a half a cup of milk. Okay, there we go. And then I'm going to put 1/4 cup of heavy cream, another 1/4 cup of carnation milk, vanilla extract, a capful, we are going to put maple syrup, and we're going to put, this is actually 2 tablespoons, so we're going to do this twice. So this becomes 4 tablespoons. We're actually going to do 5. Okay. We have 5 tablespoons of the maple syrup. We're going to whisk it, and then we will throw in our bacon pieces, and then we'll start dipping our bread in there. I've already kind of melted our butter. Oh my gosh, I wish you could had smell-o-vision that you could smell the maple syrup. So good. So here's the bacon in here. So we have the bacon pieces. So once it's done with my stovetop, I put it in the oven. Just fully absorbed, and you see how it's catching the bacon. So that's a good thing. You want it to be able to capture that bacon on here. Okay. So let me turn on our heat. Let it start getting warm. Okay. See? It's absorbing. And we want it to absorb some good old bacon. trying to make sure we're going to be ready. So I'll just do the 3. So we're just having this get some color. You can see the bacon right here on it. There's some more bacon pieces right there on it. And I'm going to put it on the sheet tray and just let it bake so all that like little egg moisture right here, the sogginess, can just be fully absorbed. Our vitamins for croissants: A and B5, maple syrup, B2, B5, B6, calcium, iron, magnesium, niacin, potassium, and zinc, bacon, B1, B2, B3, B5, B6, selenium, and zinc.
If you've been watching my channel, you know that I am a bacon lover. So guess what I have here? My French toast, my bacon French toast. I have the French toast inside the croissant sliced bread. It was in our egg mixture when we dipped it to make the French toast. And you see, it's like all coated in with, you know, all the goodness of making the French toast. Woo! And you know, I have my garnish of bacon all around it. So let's dig in. Oh, let's see. Now, I guess I might be somewhat biased because I love bacon. But let's see. Oh, wow. You taste the rich maple. You taste that flaky croissant bread that it was soaked in, the egg mixture. And you taste the bacon all inside, all coated in. Oh my gosh. And here's the great thing. It's all you taste is that buttery croissant as well. You don't even taste like a whole bunch of sweetness from the maple syrup. Not at all. You taste a little bit of that saltiness from the bacon. Woo! Sweet and savory is here. You have that, it tastes almost like a butter pecan. I know that sounds weird, but the butterness from the croissant, and yes, the meat being the protein, but it almost tastes like a butter pecan. This is delicious. Oh my gosh. OMG. Wow.
Subscribe for more delicious recipes and vitamin details. Also, your support will continue to allow my channel to grow. This delicious French toast is a sweet and savory twist, bursting with crispy bacon and tasty maple syrup.